It's a sunny day in Halifax, Nova Scotia. I just made it sunnier by doing that. I'm in my apartment right now. Haven't made it into the office yet. I'm gonna be in there 6 to 11 tonight, late hours. But I wanted to give you some options to contact me. If you're looking for online reputation management services, you can reach out to me through my email down below or send me a message on WhatsApp. It is me on that WhatsApp. You'll get to me within the hour. I'll get a notification on my phone and I'll get a notification on my watch to help you with your online presence. Now, in this video, it's a video not just for people who want to stay on top of their online presence, but it's for industry leaders who are working on online reputation management. So, the first thing is facial recognition technology. It is already good. You want to test it out? Go test out pimeyes.com, P-I-M, and then just eyes.com. Upload a picture of your face or a picture of you that's already on the internet of your face, and likely it will find you in Google search. It'll show you in places you never even knew you were indexed. Works for me because I have a lot of videos online. I have a lot of public-facing content. If it doesn't work for you, trust me, there's technology out there already that's obviously paid, and technology companies have, and government agencies that can find you very, very easily. And so one of the tips in online reputation management is to create images of your face. Well, upload images of your face to your WordPress dashboard, to your media section on WordPress if you have a website, or to social networks. Alt tag these images with your face and with your name, so that anytime someone does a reverse image search, you're serving the professional images first that you choose. That doesn't mean they might not find other content where your face appears, but if you upload your face onto random websites today, doing something questionable or bad, or if you're like Snap doing something bad in public, it gets uploaded to Facebook. One day with facial recognition technology, once it becomes more widely available, someone can do a search to find it. So you can get on top of that now. 5 years beforehand, I'm going to give it a 5-year time. Maybe it's going to take 10 years for it to really catch up. I think more like 5. You can already get ahead of that before it's a thing. Trend number 2, there's going to be other search engines, and every search engine has a different indexing strategy. Google, for instance, they pass their Hummingbird update, and they have different updates that influence search and ranking factors. Find out on each social network, find out on each search platform, find out what makes content rank. So what you can do right now is create a blog post, create some content with your name, and see widely, where does it rank on Google? Where does it rank on Bing? Where does it rank on DuckDuckGo? Where does it rank on all these different search engines? Apple's creating a search engine, and then you'll know what content ranks best. Generally, for all platforms, it's higher domain authority. Every domain is assigned authority from 1 to 100. The second thing is not just the domain authority, but the length of the article, the multimedia you include. The more images, the better. Now, trend number 2, video and voice recognition. A lot of technology that's rolling out now isn't just face and image recognition, but it's also voice. You can test tools right now like Otter.ai, which transcribes audio, or you can test the voice recognition on your Alexa. It's getting better. And what people are going to do is they may record you. In a future interview, you might be working remotely as remote working situations become, more relevant. People are going to be working for companies all around the world. I think we're going to have more of a global perspective on hiring people with talent. Which is good, but from another point of view, when you do a video interview, I think in the future they're going to be recorded. And what they're going to do is advanced companies, larger companies, are going to take your voice and they're going to run it through and do a voice search on you as well. So what you can do is get on podcasts, create more video content. The idea isn't to not be on the internet and remove things. We're in a day and age where you can't do that. Or at least if you want to do that, it's going to be very expensive, very difficult, very time consuming. You should be spending your time either making sales or making progress in your job or advancing your career, not removing content. So if you can incorporate a content creation system in your day-to-day life, creating images, creating video, focusing on multimedia content, but delivering the strong communications messaging that's gonna take your brand to the next level and protect your name, that's going to help you when facial recognition technology, when voice recognition technology, and when people are just doing a generic Google search on your name, you're going to ensure everything looks right for you.